In 2025, the average salary for a DevOps engineer in the United States is around $139,000 per year, with top earners reaching up to $214,000 annually. And that's just the base salary. With bonuses and stock options, total compensation can be even higher. Whether you're just starting in tech or an experienced developer, administrator, or sysadmin looking to level up, this video will provide you with a step-by-step roadmap to becoming a DevOps engineer in 2025 or 2026. Additionally, for all aspiring DevOps professionals, we are hosting a free live masterclass where our experts will walk you through a proven 3-step framework to land a high-paying job in this field. Many like Emmanuel, Anand, and Abiodun have secured their dream jobs with our experts' guidance. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Register through the link given in the description below. So, how do you become a DevOps engineer? Let's break it down. Step 1. Understand the core of DevOps. Let's start with the most important aspect of DevOps, understanding its core. Before diving into tools and practices, you need to grasp the concept of DevOps itself. It's not just about using tools. DevOps is a culture and a mindset focused on improving collaboration between development and operations teams. This collaboration speeds up software delivery, reduces failure rates, and improves product quality. This foundational understanding is crucial because everything else in DevOps builds upon it. So take the time to really get what DevOps means. This will guide you in your journey. Step 2. Dive deep into DevOps principles. Now, once you have grasped the foundation, the next step is to dive into the principles that drive DevOps. These principles act as a compass for your DevOps journey, ensuring that everything runs smoothly. The CALMR model is a key framework you'll need to understand: culture, automation, lean, measurement, and recovery. Each principle plays a critical role. Culture is the heart of DevOps, fostering collaboration. Automation reduces human error, lean streamlines processes, and measurement and recovery help you continuously improve by learning from past mistakes. Understanding these principles is key to navigating the DevOps landscape. Now, step 3, get to know the key DevOps rules. So now that we have covered the principles, it's important to understand the roles that make up a DevOps team. So DevOps isn't just one role, it's a combination of various functions, each contributing something unique. For example, a DevOps engineer focuses on automating workflows and managing CI/CD pipelines, while a cloud engineer ensures the scalability and security of cloud infrastructure. Site reliability engineers monitor and ensure that applications run smoothly, and automation engineers work on automating infrastructure tasks. So knowing these roles helps you identify where you fit in the DevOps ecosystem and how you can align your skills with the right role. Now, step 4 is embrace the DevOps culture. So now let's talk about culture, because this is where DevOps truly differentiates itself. DevOps isn't just about using tools, it's about changing the way teams work together. So DevOps emphasizes collaboration, communication, and shared responsibilities between development and operations. So it builds on agile methodologies but takes it a step further by integrating operations into the development process from the beginning. So by embracing this collaborative mindset, you will be in the right position to implement automation and continuous feedback, which are crucial for DevOps success. Now, step 5 is drive cultural change in your organization. Now, understanding DevOps culture is one thing, but driving it within your organization is where the real impact happens. So if you're already in an organization, start thinking about how you can implement the principles you have learned. For instance, you can introduce shift-left principles, which encourage teams to test and catch issues earlier in the software lifecycle. DevSecOps ensures that security is integrated from the very beginning. And ChatOps tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams can streamline communication. So by driving cultural change, you will help your organization become more agile, resilient, and efficient. Now, step 6 is integrating DevOps with other frameworks. Now, at this point, we have covered the culture and roles. But DevOps doesn't exist in isolation. It integrates well with other frameworks such as Agile, Scrum, and ITIL. So, understanding how DevOps complements these frameworks will make your workflows even more effective. So for example, DevOps pairs perfectly with Agile to enhance iterative development and feedback loops. So if you're already familiar with Scrum, think of how DevOps can automate tasks like testing, deployment, and integration, reducing manual effort and saving time. Now, step 7 is apply DevOps best practices. So with the principles, culture and integration covered, it's time to get practical. The best practices in DevOps are what separates high-performing teams from the rest. So these practices include automating repetitive tasks like testing and deployments, using the RACI model to clarify roles, and applying root cause analysis to solve problems and prevent them from recurring. So by implementing these best practices, you will be able to improve the speed and quality of your software delivery, making your team more efficient and reliable. Now, step 8 is master automation in DevOps. Now, automation is the heart of DevOps. To truly leverage its power, you need to master continuous integration and continuous delivery. So, setting up CI/CD pipelines will allow you to automate everything from code integration to testing and deployment. So, by automating these processes, you can ensure that every piece of code is verified before it's integrated into the system, reducing the chances of errors. Feedback loops are also essential as they help the team continuously improve based on real-time data, keeping your pipeline running smoothly. Now, step 9 is overcome adoption challenges. Now, adopting DevOps can come with its own set of challenges. Resistance to change, a lack of skilled personnel, and tool integration issues are all common hurdles. However, these can be overcome with the right strategies. Familiarizing yourself with key DevOps metrics like MTTR, mean time to recovery, and RTO, recovery time objective, will help you measure the success of your pipeline and identify areas for improvement. So by staying focused on the bigger picture, you will be able to navigate these challenges effectively. So now step 10 is mastering the essential DevOps tools. Now let's focus on the essential tools you will need to master in DevOps. Git and GitHub are crucial for version control and team collaboration. Docker packages your applications into containers while Kubernetes manages and scales those containers. Jenkins automates CI/CD pipelines and Ansible automates infrastructures. Terraform allows you to manage cloud infrastructure as code across AWS, Azure. And finally, AWS DevOps and Azure DevOps simplify the cloud deployment process, streamlining everything from code infrastructure. So mastering these tools will give you the skills to automate and manage your entire pipeline effectively. So there you have it, the detailed roadmap to becoming a DevOps engineer in 2025 or 2026. So if you're ready to start your DevOps journey, sign up for our free live masterclass where our experts will show you how to land a high-paying job in this field. The link is in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, drop any questions or requests for future content in the comments below. Also, make sure you watch this video next.